What's that?
It's like a monster and as well as this
Oh, yeah.
shaker can. Drink water will get.
Woo! Okay, what is that?
来，you open.
What is that?
抽出他喜欢的。
Really?
Yeah.
The white one?
No.
Then which one?
It's the pink one.
Yes, it's the pink one. Yay!
The same one.
Yeah.
See, it's your favorite one. It's the red one. Can we switch?
The pink one is the nicest one for you.
It's so cute. I like the eyes one.
Yeah, I also got this. It's so cute. So can I open it up?
Okay, come. Yay!
This unboxing did not go really right. Which one do you think I'll get? Maybe I'll get white for water bike.
Let's see.
It's blue.
It's blue?
It's blue. I see.
I see.
It's blue. You like blue, right?
I see. Oh, it's just differentiated by the hair only lah.
Yeah.
You like blue?
Color?
So you want blue? I also want this and I don't like
No, you decide for yourself.
Actually, I see.
You see which one you like. You don't.
I like.
You really want the pink one?
It's so cute. I want this one.
You confirm or not?
I'm just gonna open this for the box. So I do think Mom, can I open? I'm so happy that I get pink because that pink is the only thing I wanted. Oh, secret, but it's very hard to get secret.
Ah, you want the pink one? Ah?
Yeah, I'm so happy that Morten loves the blue color.
Thank you so much for changing.
You got secret.
What?
Oh my god! He got secret, yeah.
You sure?
There's no this.
Oh really?
I got this one. I got this.
You got the secret.
See, there's no everything.
See, I tell you buy this.
Whoa! I have this.
Funny dog.
It's called a pygmy. It's weird.